Want to use Netflix Smart Download on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily use Smart Download on Netflix. First thing first, move into your application Netflix. Choose your account and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're inside the home page of Netflix, move into My Netflix at the bottom right corner. Click on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Simply head over to App Settings. In this page, inside the section of Downloads, you will see the option where it says Smart Downloads. Head over to this option. Well, the Smart Downloads means the movies or the series will only be downloaded when you are connected to Wi-Fi. And if you toggle on this option, they will automatically find shows and movies they think you will like and save them on your device. From here, you can also check the storage of all the account. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.